Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to Vlogmas. This is my first activity of the 2024 Vlogmas season, and we are going to Christmas at Kew. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you check out last year's videos of Christmas at Kew. I've done two, one with a little bit more talking and narrating, and one just a walking tour set to Christmas music. I will leave them both down below. But let's get going because we've got to be there for 7 p.m. and I'll fill you in a bit more as we arrive. Christmas at Kew is an annual event that I look forward to. Now, confession, I only went for the first time last Christmas and I loved it. I just thought it was such a wonderful experience, and it runs annually from November until early January, and I strongly recommend booking as soon as the tickets get released, especially if you want to go on a specific day or time, because it really does book out. People love this event and it will sell out. The trail itself is 3 kilometers long, and it consists of 20 beautiful light installations. Now, some of these light installations stay the same each year, and then some are new. For example, this year, there were some really fun interactive light installations on the ground that you could stomp on, which you're gonna see later on in the video. So a little spoiler alert. And throughout the trail, you get to enjoy Christmas music. So they theme the Christmas musics with the light installations, and it's just such a lovely, wholesome experience. And you can stop throughout the way. There are plenty of stops for food, even things like mulled wine or hot chocolate. So this year we had some mac and cheese, which was delicious, and we also had a spiked hot chocolate. So thoroughly enjoyed both. And there also is an area with some rides. Now, my friend and I didn't actually do this ourselves, but we did see it as we walked by. And there's even an area where you can meet Santa himself. So, of course, the families with kids were all about that area, but I did get a very loud ho 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 Merry Christmas when we walked by Santa, so that was lovely. And it really is meant to be an event for the entire family. Now, obviously keep in mind that you have to be able to walk 3 kilometers, but you did see a lot of people in strollers or buggies, as we call them here in the UK, even people in wheelchairs or like the motorized wheelchairs as well. So they do make a strong effort to make it an accessible experience. And I will leave the link to Christmas at Kew, so if you do kind of have a handicap or have accessibility concerns, please do read, and I encourage you to get in touch with the Kew Gardens folks directly with your question, because I'm not going to be able to answer that one, unfortunately. So as I did last year, I'm going to now transition to sharing my Christmas at Kew experience with music only. And then as a reminder, the link to the Christmas at Kew website will be linked down below. So enjoy!
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with boots and tick. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
So that concludes my Christmas at Kew experience this year. I really hope you enjoyed it. I tried my best to find some great royalty-free music. So the issue is I would love to use the music they play at Christmas at Kew, but because of the way YouTube works, you can't include any copyrighted music in your videos. So I've just done my best to find some in the YouTube music library. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. That shows me that you really liked the video. You could also leave a comment letting me know if you liked the video, if you found the video useful, or even if you've been to Christmas at Kew and you want to share your experience there. I would always love to hear that. Sharing is caring here on this channel. And then last but certainly not least, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button. I create videos about my life in London, my travels, some of my handbag reviews and products I'm loving, and I would love it if you join me on this wonderful YouTube journey. I can't speak anymore, guys. Thanks again for tuning in, and I will see you soon.